Hello, this is Stephanie with Our Sweet Life. I just wanted to show you guys if your heat press timer does not go down automatically when you lower your pressure bar, I'm going to show you how to get it to work. We just got this heat press for Christmas and it's January, the first week of January, and there's no instructions on how to get the timer to start. So I'm going to show you guys today how to get that timer to go so that you can press your shirt whenever using vinyl or whatever for the correct amount of time. So this is a Tusy, T-U-S-Y. It already comes pre-set for a t-shirt. So it comes set for the 350, and let me go ahead and show you. So you hit set. You already got your degrees for 350. It's set for 350. And I'm going to set it for 4 seconds because I'm not actually pressing anything. I just was testing it out because I did just press this shirt. Well, my daughter just pressed this shirt. And the timer, whenever we clutched this all the way down, the timer would never start. So I was just playing around with it to see how can we get that timer to actually start. And I'm going to show you how we overcame to get this timer to really work. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And of course, I want mine on Fahrenheit, and it is lit on Fahrenheit. Then I'm going to hit the set button. Remember I had it set for 350. It's at 358, 360. It's been on for a while because I've been playing, trying to get it figured out. But let's go ahead and press it. Like I said, there's nothing on this shirt. It's just a plain old shirt. I just wanted to practice to get this thing to work for whenever I need it again. All right, it dropped down to 351. I'm okay with that. So let's go ahead and lower this pressure bar. See, it doesn't start. So you have to quickly press that and then it starts. The timer starts. And there it goes. And then you just lift it up. All right, if you're having trouble with getting your machine timer to work and actually time the press, that's how you do it. You just push that bottom down arrow button to get your timer going once you lower your pressure bar. Bye, y'all.